following on from episode 1, we're doing 2 tanks, one with vinegar and the other one with a metal product called Metal Rescue. But because this tank on my K6 was more rusted than the R6 tank, I decided to go for the vinegar. So right now I'll give you a complete process, steps by step, of what I've done to this tank. Remove all the hardware. The vinegar will eat into the aluminium, so remove the locking cap, and it doesn't do the pump any good either. Washing out the tank gets rid of all the stale fuel so the acid can do its job, and you have to blank off the access hole. I use the sump of the assembly itself. You've got to prop up the tank to make it secure, because you're going to leave it for a couple of days, and it's heavy too. You've got 19 to 20 litres of fluid in there. Fill it to the brim, because we have to get the acid right to the very top. Now that you can see after 48 hours it's soft, the rust is soft I should say, and it's ready for water blasting. So after washing it out for the first time, there was still some rust evident in there, so I decided to give it a second application of the vinegar. Left it for 24 hours again. The Bi-Carb soda neutralizes the vinegar, which is the acid. So I made up 20 litres in a 30 litre bucket to immediately pour into the job after I've washed out the acid. The water blaster is incredibly important to do a good job. After draining out the Bi-Carb and pressure washing it again for the final time, there's still a little puddle there too that was really hard to get out. I had to use the air blower to get that out, but it come up pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good considering. And now the sump is also in good condition now. My name's Kevin, KJ's Moto. Now next up will be to seal it with a sealing kit. I think it at the moment is raw, and then we'll seal it and we'll carry on then to the next tank. Just I'll tell you another thing, I wouldn't want to pay a motorcycle shop to do this. It's a long process and it's a pretty messy kind of job. It takes days basically. So, something you got to do at home, I'm afraid. Catch us in the next one, guys.